the Indus Waters Treaty. Who truly gained the most and who got the least, who signed the treaty, and what was the real agenda behind the Indus Waters Treaty is a water sharing agreement between India and Pakistan concerning the Indus River system. Brokered by the World Bank, it was signed on September 19th, 1960, in Karachi by India's Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and Pakistan's President Ayub Khan. Key features of the treaty: river allocation. The treaty allocated the three eastern rivers, the Beas, Ravi, and Sutlej, to India for unrestricted use. The three western rivers, the Indus, Jhelum, and Chenab, were allocated to Pakistan, with India permitted limited use for domestic needs, non-consumptive purposes like power generation and some agriculture without disrupting the flow to Pakistan. Water sharing ratio: approximately 80% of the water from the Indus system was allocated to Pakistan, while India received about 20%. Permanent Indus Commission. The treaty established a permanent Indus Commission comprising a commissioner from each country. Dispute resolution mechanism. The IWT provides a three-tiered mechanism for resolving disputes. Permanent Indus Commission. Most questions are resolved at this level. Intergovernmental level. If the Commission fails to reach an agreement, the matter can be taken up by the respective governments. Neutral experts steer on court of arbitration. For unresolved differences, the World Bank can appoint a neutral expert or establish a court of arbitration to adjudicate the matter. Infrastructure development. The treaty also facilitated the construction of dams, link canals, barrages, and tube wells in both countries. Notably, the Tarbela Dam on the Indus and the Mangla Dam on the Jhelum were constructed under this framework to compensate Pakistan for the waters of the eastern rivers allocated to India. Recent developments following a recent terrorist attack at Pahalgam in Kashmir on April 23, 2025, India has blamed Pakistan and stopped water. Abeyance, not termination. India has clarified that the treaty is being held in abeyance, meaning temporarily suspended, as the treaty lacks a clause for unilateral termination. Pakistan has reacted strongly to this suspension, stating that any attempt to stop or divert the flow of water would be considered an act of war. Pakistan, being a lower riparian state, heavily relies on the Indus River system for its agriculture. Some analysts believe that India's move could have repercussions, potentially prompting China to consider similar actions regarding the Brahmaputra River, a significant water source for India.